Hi guys, we have just arrived to the Mount Kaputar National Park after a long drive from Sydney, 8 hours on the road yesterday. We're staying overnight in Narrabri. So this is the first walk that we're gonna do in Mount Kaputar. This is a Mount Yulludunida. I'm probably mispronouncing it. The trailhead is just a half an hour from Narrabri, and then we're gonna go deeper inside the national park. We'll be staying in a Dawson's Creek campground, so we're gonna do a few more hikes after the lunch. We're gonna do another hike. But this is the first one. We'll see how it goes with that one. I think this is the most exciting one. It's about 10 o'clock at the moment. It's a nice and beautiful weather. We will have beautiful weather all the way through our Easter trip, so we're really excited, and we'll see you on the trail. The steps are starting to get steeper, and I think it will get steeper as we get closer to the mountain. So far so good. So there are lots of steps on this trail. As we go up, we get to enjoy the beautiful view of Mount Yulludunida. We've seen it already as we were driving up the road through the Mount Kaputar National Park. Looks like the trees are getting smaller and the trail is getting more and more exposed. We got a beautiful views behind us. Green hills of the Mount Kaputar National Park. It's actually really hot in here, even though it's end of April, sort of almost coming towards the winter season, but it's really hot. So imagine if you were hiking this trail in the summer, you have to wake up really early. So here we are. This is the final section of the trail. You can see the summit right behind me there. So it's about 550 meters from this point. And this is the unmarked track. So we're gonna have to find the best path. I'm not sure if we're gonna go all the way to the summit. We might require the ropes, but we get as far as we can. At least get another half kilometer up, and we take some nice shots from there. We have a beautiful peaks and some plains right behind it. It's all volcanic origin. This whole landscape has been created about 20 million years ago by the big eruption from the Nandawar volcano. So it's all volcanic rocks here. Very unique landscape. So I think we're gonna take this path here. So I think this is the ridge line. And we're gonna go along the ridge line all the way to the summit. So here comes the final part. We're about 100 meters from the summit at the moment, but the final section will be steep. Beautiful views, 360 views. So we got some obstacles before we hit the summit. It's a bit of a rocky section, lots of medium-sized boulders and rocks. It's all manageable. So the first summit on Mount Kaputar conquered. We're gonna have beautiful views, 360 views from here. Here it is. Right to the summit of Mount Yulludunida. Pretty sure you can traverse along that ridge line all the way till the end, but I think this is the section that requires the ropes. descending down from the summit. There are different paths you can take to get to the top. You can pick your best line to get up there. So we finished the hardest part of the trail, descent from the summit. Now we're gonna be heading back onto the marked trail into the bush. That was a really exciting hike to the summit. The views are spectacular, so we are feeling really grateful that we could make it to the summit. Going to the summit is definitely worth it, worth the effort. The views are beautiful. It's a very rewarding hike. It's one of the best ones for a reason in this national park, so it's definitely worth to have it under your belt. We're gonna have some lunch now and we're gonna decide what to do next, whether we're gonna do another hike or just easy nature walk maybe, or something like this after this hike, and then we head to the Dawson Spring campsite. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next hike in the next video.